Hello everyone. Imagine adding open source contributor to your resume in just 1 week. Even if you have not written a line of code for others before. Sounds impossible? Stick with me because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to do it. Welcome to Tech4Cause by GM, where we explore technology that inspires growth. Today, I'll show you how students, freshers, or anyone curious about tech can make their first open source contribution in just 7 days. So, the step 1 is to create a GitHub account. This is your passport to the open source world. Directly go to the Google Chrome and search for the GitHub. You can choose sign up option there. With your Gmail account, you can directly sign up into the GitHub. Here it is. Your account is verified and once you are in, head to goodfirstissue.dev, a site that curates beginner-friendly issues across thousands of projects. Pick a project that excites you. It could be documentation, a website, or even a small bug fix. Click fork to copy it into your account. Then clone it locally using GitHub, desktop, or VS Code. Now, solve the issue. It could be as simple as fixing a typo in documentation or updating a README. Don't underestimate small contributions, okay? They really matter. Push your changes, open a pull request, and describe what you have fixed. So let's plan it for 7 days. Day 1 and 2, you can actually set up your profile and explore the issues. Choosing the correct issue is also matters. Day 3 and 4, fork it, clone it locally, and try to understand the code. Day 5 and 6, start contributing for the issue. And finally, day 7, you can successfully submit your pull request. So, guys, your first pull request is more than just code. It's proof that you can collaborate globally, follow workflows, and add value. Employees really notice it, communities welcome it, and most importantly, it builds your confidence. So, here is my challenge. Make your first contribution this week. Drop your repo link in the comments. I will feature some in the next video. This is Tech for Cause by GM. Let's build the future together.